Future tense verbs, I'm sure Ashtanach, something that will happen in the future. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page, saying the words out loud. You must get out of your seats and do the actions, and remember to write out the words each night. This will help you learn your spellings without even trying. A lot of these words end with an oig sound to make them future tense. An maloig, baloig, ní baloig. Rustoig, creeknoig, curdoig, an etloig, etloig, ní etloig, an vragroig, fragroig, ní ragroig. Ig, canoig, an ahroig, ahroig, ní ahroig, an airoig, airoig, ní airoig, an oscloig, oscloig, ní oscloig, gortoig. Gramoig, maroig, haspánig me do, taroig, tromoig, am imroig, imroig, ní imroig. Notice how taspánig has do with it. Saválig, slanoig, timánig, tosoig, an úsádig, úsádig, ní úsádig, an ólhig, ólhig, ní ólhig. The next 11 verbs are the most commonly used verbs, known as irregular verbs, na bríothar na bhrialta. You really need to know these. Beg, ní veg, an vecig, fecig, ní ecig, an isig, isig, ní isig, an néanhig, déanhig, ní dhéanhig, an méarhig, béarhig, ní bhéarhig, ig, ní rockig, an dluisig, tluisig, ní tluisig, an néarhig, déarhig, ní déarhig, an bhaig, yoig, ní bhaig, an tiucig, tiucig, ní tiucig, an tuairhig, tuairhig, ní thuairhig. These phrases are well worth knowing. Tuairhig me ma bhála lum, I will bring my bag with me. Gearhig me, léhig me. Caithfidh me has a number of meanings. I will spend, or I will wear, or I will throw, or I will have to. Me ma chóta orm, I will put my coat on me. Notice how orm goes with cuairthig when putting something on. Dúilhig an clog, cuairthig me ceist Mr. Maloney. I would ask Mr. Maloney a question. And notice how we add the oig sound to these verbs. Future tense. Certain future tense verbs, not all. Say the words out loud. Take pride in your pronunciations for your test on Friday. Get up out of your seats and do the actions. Write the words out each night. Best of luck.